Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. My name is Noel, and today's video, guys, I'm gonna take you through the process of preparing pork, the deep fried pork and ugali. I know I've done that quite before, but it was a long time ago. Today I'm gonna do that again, but in a different way. So if you're my returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for supporting. And if you are my new subscriber, thank you so very much for joining this family. And if you're my new viewer, welcome, and make sure you subscribe as well so that we can move on. So guys, I know I've lost, but I'm back. It's been quite a busy week, as you know, but we are here, guys. So without further ado, let's do it. All right guys, so we are now starting the process of cooking. So first of all, we're chopping the onions. No, actually the onions I've already done. Okay, don't mind guys, because I've already deep fried the pork. As you can see here, it's so dried up, very crunchy, and it's so amazing, and the aroma is just something else. So here I'm washing chili, the chili pili, so that it can add some flavor. And yeah, so the process of cutting the tomato, so the onions are frying here, as you can see, and it's so amazing. Don't mind, this is the sufuria that I use, or the pot that I used in boiling the pork, and you can see the process is going on well. So guys, what I'm gonna do, add the tomatoes and all the flavors, the Royco cubes and the Garam masala, and name them guys, so that it can bring the flavor. And yeah guys, so stay tuned and enjoy the whole process.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning. I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. You and me got a whole other meaning. I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Step 1, wake up early, gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season.
Alright, so guys, we are done with preparing pork. So now you can see my kienyeji there that I had kept on the fridge or at the fridge, and ugali water, as you can see, and yeah, the pork is still boiling there. So right now I just wanna cook ugali. So it's just mixture of water and unga or maize flour until it becomes like consistent, and that will be your end meal. So the greens there, as you can see, is managu. For all those who know, managu with what do we call these mboga? The Kikuyus call it terere, but it's mchicha in Kiswahili. And yeah guys, so that's the complete meal for today. And yeah, so you stay tuned, see the process of mixing the ugali, and then I'll show you the end product.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Step 1, wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your
and voila, our ugali is ready. As you can see, that one is it's a mega ugali, and our pork right there with stew. I first dried it up and then I added some little bit of water, and that's kienyeji and our sliced ugali. So ready to eat. Bon appetit.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
So guys, we've come to an end of the video. Thank you so very much for watching and supporting. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share to your family and friends if you can, and let me see you on my next one. Au revoir.